Hey you guys, it's Britt. I just picked up the brand new Urban Decay Party Favor palette. This was a palette that was released on Urban Decay's website about a week and a half ago, and Ulta stores just released it in store and online today. It will be coming to Sephora, but Ulta was the first store that had it. So I'm going to go through quickly. This is just a quick reference video for anyone who's interested. I want to sort of describe the 6 shades to you guys and then also show up close swatches. So if you are interested, please keep watching. All right, guys, so I did a quick get ready with me. That video will be posted in, a day or so, but I wanted to do a quicker video explaining what the 6 shades are and show up close swatches in case this is something that was on your radar or you haven't heard of it and maybe you're a glitter lover like me. So this is a very small palette. It looks like this. It has 6 shades in it, and I'm gonna describe the shades to you and insert a close-up swatch on my skin tone. So the first shade is New Moon, and New Moon has silver glitter. There are some like pale blue glitter chunks as well. It's in a transparent base, so you don't get an opaque color payoff with this one, but it is absolutely beautiful. I could see this working also as a really nice glitter topper if you are someone who likes to lay down shadow and then go over top of it with some sort of glitter that's not really housed in a actual color. I could see that working really well. So the next shade is Sugar High, and this is a pink. It has pink glitter, silver glitter, and this has a little bit more of a color payoff, and it's most likely just because the actual glitter is colored, but it still has that very transparent base where you're not really getting a lot of color. You're just seeing the shades of the glitter. And I just want to say before I go any further, I'll use all of these shades by themselves, just put on top of a glitter primer. The NYX one is the best one that I have found personally. I would wear all of these, just put them on the lid, buff it out, and be good to go. That is why I had this palette on my list, because I love colors like that and I love glitter. As you guys know, I'm not a big eyeshadow palette lover, but if it's 6 shades of glitter that I can just, put on the lid and be good to go, that's also what attracted me to my Pat McGrath quad, because all 4 of those are just wearable shades for me, whether it's paired with something else or by itself. So the next shade is called No Shame, and No Shame has a lot of gold glitter, but it also has a fair amount of pink glitter. The gold glitter is what really stands out to me, but it does have that pink throughout it, so the pink is still very noticeable. So the next shade is Spaced, and Spaced again has some pink glitter, not as much, but it almost has like blue and green glitter. And this again, it reminds me a lot of New Moon, where when you're just looking at it kind of swatched not too heavily on your hand, it almost just makes your skin look wet because it is housed in that transparent base, and the actual color of the glitter is so neutral in tone. So the 5th shade is where we get into a little bit more of color payoff. The next one is called Long Night, and this one is almost like burgundy glitter. It does show a little bit more of an actual color, so you can see that neutral shade, like mauvey burgundy sort of color. It's still not super opaque or noticeable, but the glitter itself is that deeper tone pink with a little bit of green, and then the it has a little bit of pink glitter in it as well. And the final shade is called Powder Trip. And Powder Trip definitely has the most color payoff of all 6 shades, and that is a really strong copper glitter with a very small amount of pink glitter throughout it. There's also some gold in there. I would say the 2 primary colors are the copper and the gold, and if you look very closely, you'll see just a couple of pink glitter particles, but it's definitely not noticeable at all. when you compare it to the copper and the gold in the powder. So that's it for my little reference video. Again, I really love this palette. I did a get ready with me. Again, that will be up in a day or so, but I wanted this to just be a quick little reference video in case it was helpful for anybody. So I hope that you did find it helpful. If you did, please leave me a like and a comment. And if you would like to see more from me in the future, please subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.